Now the next technical term of lens is pri- principal axis. Principal axis. Okay, it is the line. See, we have seen the lens is like this, convex lens. It has two center of curvatures, C2, because two surfaces are there, C1, C2. The line joining both the center of curvatures is called as a principal axis. Once again I am repeating, it is the line joining or passing through the centers of the curvatures of the two surfaces of a lens. For concave also same, I can draw here. Are able to see everybody? These are the center of curvature C1, C2. A line passing through both the center of curvatures is actually not joining, it's passing through both the center of curvatures is called as a principal axis. Are you clear? Okay. Next point is, next technical term is fourth one, optical center. Optical center. It is generally denoted by P, okay, or O. So optical center is the point on this principal axis through which when a light ray passes then it goes without any deviation in the same that without deviation in the same, or you can say same direction of the principal axis. Suppose a light ray incident, this ray goes without any deviation, same direction only. How it happens, let's see. First as it is bend little, this is the normal, towards the normal it will bend. At the second surface again is the normal, it will go away from the normal surface. Second surface it will strike, finally it will go away from here. Second surface strike, then it will go away, and finally like glass slab as you discussed, it will go in the same direction. See, ray bend towards the normal, it came here, then again it go away from the normal. Finally this direction of the emergent ray is equal to same to the incident ray. So that's why it goes in the same direction without any deviation. Clear? Definitely optical center, it is the point on the principal axis of the lens. Okay, the lens such that when a light ray passes through it, passes through in this direction is called it goes without any deviation. See, actually this is not the optical, here this is supposed to go this direction, this is the optical center. Clear? Listen, optical center is the, listen, if it will be a thick lens, listen, if it will be a thick lens, then this deviation, little lateral displacement is there, slightly bending, coming right side, not bending, I mean say change slightly, this displaced side, right or left, that will be observed. If it is a thick lens, that ray little lateral it will shift, direction is same only, but thin lenses you will not able to see that that will be mostly, it will go same line only, that's why you draw. So here also shifting same only, it is like this, it will indented, little shifted, then it will go like that. But for thin lenses, suppose the lens is this is thick lens, we have drawn the diagram, actually practically it happens, but thin lenses, this shifting slightly shifted or not, slight here to here, slightly shifted here to here, that will be not observed directly. The rays will appear as if directly passed. Suppose example, this is a convex lens, thin lens, suppose imagine, directly you can draw. Clear for drawing the ray diagram, because we are using thin lens practically here, so directly it will go without, no need to do this full complicated diagram. I hope I am clear to everybody. Listen, some places it will be given the pole and optical center both are same. Some books it isn't, but that is wrong. Pole and optical center is not same. What is pole? Later part we will discuss. Clear? for thin lenses, these both are same. Means not same, but thin lenses, both this optical center and pole are means not same, but they are same, more or less they are at the same place. That's why some people say it is a pole only, but not correct. A pole is different, optical center is different. Optical center, I said, what is this? Pole. When it will come, I'll tell you. Clear? Next concept is a focal point.